So hi guys, we are here at Edgbaston County Cricket Club today and we've got a couple of their fastest bowlers to test just how durable and tough some of our work lights and flashlights are. So I hope you enjoy the video. Stay tuned, here we go.
We're here at Edgbaston today to test out the new Unilite SLR 4750. Supposedly indestructible, but let's see what happens.
Hi, I'm Craig Miles, a bowler at the Bears. I'm going to see if this light has what it takes. Oh! Okay, we're about 20 balls in, and I think we've had about 5 hits between us. No sign of real damage yet. We're going to keep going and see if we can crack this thing. Just a little scuff mark again, but rub that off, I reckon he'll be all right.
That last one hit it plumb, smack bang on the nylon and the glass, and it's all still intact, so we're good so far, we're good.
Me and my little ball at about 75, 80 miles an hour. We're starting on the machine at 85. So the lights defeated us, let's see what the machine can do. Still works. Oh, right. Right, 80 survived, right 90. Ollie Stone's pace. Oh, that is fast. Does she? Right, let's destroy this thing. Right, we've had enough now. We're going straight to 99 miles an hour. Only 2 people in history have ever bowled this fast, so let's see if it survives it. Woo! They're not hitting better than that.
Hold the money.
99 miles an hour.
Little crack there.
Lights built up. So these guys tried, SLR 4750 still intact, the machine tried, still intact. Running out of ideas here guys.